So, good evening, friends. Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about advantages of optical fibers. So, enormous potential bandwidth, small size and lightweight, electrical isolation, immunity to interference and crosstalk, signal security, low transmission loss, rigidness and flexibility, low cost. So first one, enormous potential bandwidth. So what are enormous potential bandwidths? Optical fibers have wider bandwidths than copper wires, so that the more information can be sent over a single physical line. This property decreases the number of physical lines needed for sending a given amount of information. Given amount of information. Next one. So here potential bandwidth is very wider when compared with the other communications. Next one, small size and low weight. The low weight and small size. So here small size and low lightweight are one of the best advantages of optical fibers. So the low weight and the small dimensions of fibers offers a distinct advantage over heavy and bulky copper cables, mainly in military applications and spacecrafts. There you larger amount of cables must be unreeled and reeled, which are used for the applications in military uses. So one of the best advantages of small size and lightweight is to use in military applications. Um, Whenever to unreel the cables and to reel the cables, lightweight is one of the best advantages. Next, electrical isolation. So electrical isolation, so what are electrical isolation means? It produces the high degree of safety, operational safety. So electrical isolation, in sense, it provides the high degree of operational safety, since they do not have the problem of ground loops, sparks and potentiality high voltages. Okay, high voltages, they should not be have any problem of high voltages. Why means in copper lines. Why means in copper lines. And optical fibers offers a high degree of operational safety, since they do not have the problem of ground loops, sparks and potentiality as they observed in copper cables. However, the precautions with respect to laser light need to be observed to protect the eye damage, to protect it from the eye damage. So electrical isolation, it provides a high degree of operational safety. Next one, immunity to interference and crosstalk. So what is immunity to interference and crosstalk? An especially important feature of an optical fiber is dielectric material, which we are used in optical fibers. Dielectric material, that is observed mainly for the optical fibers. Core and cladding, around the core and cladding material, this dielectric material is surrounded electricity. This makes optical fibers more immunity to electromagnetic interference, as that is not observed in copper wires. Such an inductive pickup from the adjacent signal carrying wires or coupling and interference from another call. These are the problems which we do not meet in optical fibers. So Y means immunity to interference and crosstalk, because it provides the dielectric material to surround core and cladding materials. Next one, signal security. So as it also provides a high degree of data security, which we are using in mainly government financial applications, military applications, legal applications. So to store or to protect the data, these optical fibers provides a high degree of signal security. Low transmission losses. Optical fibers, one of the best advantage is the low transmission loss. So why means when compared to copper cables, optical fibers having low transmission losses. Why? Data can be sent to over long distances, thereby reducing the number of immediate repeaters needed to boost and restore signals in long spans. So, for that purpose, in order to reduce the equipment, we are using the in order to reduce the equipment and components, and also to decrease cost and cost and in order to reduce cost and complexity, the fiber optics are the best examples. Next, ruggedness and flexibility. So, optical fibers are one of the best flexibility cables in order to remove one layer and to install in another way. In another way, the best example of optical fibers is their flexibility. So easy to remove and easy to install, low cost. So optical fibers also provides one of the best advantage that it has low cost. So it is low cost. So these are the advantages of optical fiber waveguides. Thank you, friends.